Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the tools: a Mac with Finder or a Windows PC running the latest iTunes, and a certified cable. Once connected, unlock your iPhone, tap Trust and enter your passcode. This authorizes the computer. Make sure software is updated because mismatches can block backups. If you plan a local, encrypted backup, disable iCloud backups first to avoid confusion. Now, open Finder or iTunes and select your device to begin the backup workflow. You now create the actual backup. In Finder or iTunes, select your device and under Backups choose Encrypt Local Backup. Set a password you will remember. Encryption preserves health data, saved passwords, and home settings. Click Backup Now and watch the progress bar. The first backup can take longer, depending on size. Once done, verify the timestamp for the completed backup. If you need multiple backups, repeat and label, or export the archive to keep versions separated for safety. Finish by verifying the backup timestamp in Finder or iTunes. That proves success. Next, copy the backup folder to an external drive or secure NAS for redundancy. This protects against computer failure. Store the encryption password in a password manager because without it the backup is unusable. If a backup fails, check the cable and trust prompts first, confirm available disk space, then reboot both devices and try again. If problems persist, temporarily disable VPNs and security software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.